Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a header image to your Google Sites in just a few simple steps. By the end of this video, your website will have a stunning, professional-looking header that grabs attention instantly. First, open your Google site and navigate to the page where you want to add or change the header. Hover your cursor over the header section, and you'll see the option to change image appear. Click it, and now you have two options. Upload a new image from your device or choose from the pre-selected images Google provides. Pick the one that fits your website's style best. Next, you can customize the header type to adjust the size of your header. Google Sites offers different options, like a large banner for a bold statement or a smaller banner for a cleaner look. This lets you match the header perfectly with your site's design. Once you're happy with the image and header size, don't forget to click Publish in the top right corner. This ensures all your changes go live and your visitors see your updated header immediately. And that's it. With just a few clicks, your Google site now has a fresh, eye-catching header that makes your site look more professional and engaging. Thanks for watching, and make sure to use these tips to enhance your website's first impression.